Imagine a world where transactions are instant, private, and secure. A world where you have complete control over your finances. That world exists, and it's powered by Beam. But have you ever wondered, how many Beam coins are there? Let's dive in and find out. The total supply of Beam coins. Beam is a cryptocurrency with a fixed total supply. This means that there will never be more Beam coins created than the initial maximum. This design choice offers several benefits. Scarcity, a limited supply can increase the value of each coin over time, especially if demand grows. Stability, a fixed supply can prevent inflation, which can erode the purchasing power of a currency. Security, knowing the total supply can help ensure that the network remains secure and decentralized. So, what is the total supply of Beam coins? Drumroll please. The total supply of Beam coins is 256 million. Understanding Beam's emission schedule. This number might seem arbitrary, but it's actually based on a carefully designed emission schedule. Beam's emission schedule is designed to ensure a fair distribution of coins and to maintain the network's security. Here's a breakdown of how Beam coins were distributed. Pre-mine, a portion of the total supply was allocated to the development team and early investors to fund the project's development. Mining, the remaining coins were distributed to miners who contribute to the network's security by verifying transactions and creating new blocks. The importance of mining. Mining is a crucial aspect of Beam's ecosystem. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When a miner successfully solves a problem, they are rewarded with newly minted Beam coins. This process helps to secure the network and ensures that transactions are verified and irreversible. The future of Beam. As Beam continues to grow and evolve, it's important to understand the total supply of coins. This information can help you make informed decisions about investing in Beam or using it for transactions. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, there are 256 million Beam coins in total. This fixed supply offers several benefits, including scarcity, stability, and security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.